Hey there coding enthusiast, welcome back to IMS Coding. See this box, it has some border. Now let's add some outline to this box. Okay, now focus here, this is the border and this is the outline. Both are different. So in this today's video, we are going to see how to add this outline just after border. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So here in Visual Studio Code, I am going to create a new file named outline in css.html. Get a basic HTML syntax by typing doc keyword. Now inside our body, let's create a new div. And I am adding a class called box. Okay, now let's view this in the browser. Right click here and open this page using live server. Now place this browser and Visual Studio Code side by side. Hover here and click here. I am setting the browser to left side and Visual Studio Code to right side. Okay, now it's time to write some CSS. So here I am using internal CSS. Add style tag. Now here we can write our CSS. Let's target this box class. Type dot box. Now inside curly braces, I am adding with property and setting its value to 10 rem. Same for height property, 10 rem. Now let's add some border of around 10 pixel. So border 10 pixel, solid blue. Okay, you can see the border here. Now just after border property, add outline style property and set it to solid. Now in the browser, you will notice that there is an outline just after border. So this is because of outline style property, but it's looking very thin. So let's increase the width of outline, add outline with property, and I am setting it to 20 pixel. We can also change the color of outline with the help of outline color property. Add outline color property, and I am setting it to yellow. Perfect. Now let's see the last property of outline offset. So I am setting it to 10 pixel. See here, outline offset property adds space between an outline and the border. To see it more clearly, let's change the color of our body. So I am changing the background color to black. So see here, this is the space which is added by outline offset property. Okay, so these are the properties of outline. But do we need to add these properties separately? Obviously no. We can add all these values in a single property called outline. So let's comment all of the above properties like this. Now let's add a single property called outline and then setting the color to yellow. Now this time I am setting the outline style to dotted. There is lots of outline style. Explore yourself on Google or I will give you a link in the description. Check that. And the last thing is outline width of 10 pixel. I know we haven't added outline offset because we cannot set outline offset property here. We need to add it separately. So let's uncomment outline offset. So I am removing the comment from here and pasting it here. Okay, now you can see the space between our border and the outline. So that's it for today's video. I hope you found this video helpful. If you want the source code, then please do check out in the description. This video is a part of our HTML and CSS Beginners Guide course, so please do check out our playlist. Like this video, share it with your friends. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, click the subscribe button and press the bell icon. I'll see you in the next video. Happy coding everyone.